Hey guys, I wasn't planning to film today, but something really special just happened in my garden and I had to share it with you. While checking on my usual blooms, I spotted something that immediately stopped me in my tracks. Look at this. This sunflower doesn't look like the others have grown. The color, the petal shape, even the center is unique. Compared to a regular sunflower, this one stands out completely. I've never seen this variety pop up before, and I didn't plant anything different. It just appeared. Maybe it's an heirloom seed that got in, or nature just decided to surprise me. Either way, it's a reminder of how amazing and mysterious gardening can be. Have you ever found something totally unexpected growing in your garden? Let me know in the comments, and I'd love to hear your stories. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this little nature surprise as much as I do. More blooms and mysteries coming soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. God bless.